welcome back to the channel. On this episode we're going to be fitting arch extensions, because on the last episode you'll have seen us fitting the Black Rhinos. They actually stick out a wee bit, so I ordered these arch extensions from Volkswagen. So they're designed just for the rear, but slight modification, you could fit them on the front. So let's get started. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VWcrafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on your journey. So to start with, we'll get their T25s out. Hoping to get this done before the rain comes. Now we'll get the area all cleaned up here. So they can only go in one way. So the driver's side is the only one that's marked, and if you can see it says RE, that's the driver's side. The other side is not marked at all, that's the passenger side. So we've got to start with the passenger side. So first job, we've got to cut these tabs here off, 4 of them. Just a wee snips. So we've got to cut these bits off here. So that's that bit. Also this bit here. And the same with this side. This one. So it goes on to this bit here, and the same on the opposite side. Just see if it fits on the holes first. That's perfect. Right, let's get the tape off and get it fitted. Right, just 2 seconds. Let's get the screws in. And that's it. Oh, it's looking good. Right, another 3 to do. Right, so we've got to do the front one now. So I've done the very same as the back ones, cut off the clips, put some more M3 tape on it. But on this one, we've got to drill a couple of holes. So let's put it on. Same again, you're just lining it with the edge of this trim down here. Put it on. Right, and then it's just a case of putting 2 screws at this side. And just the same factory T25 bolts in. And then on this side you can only put the one in. Go and start it up in full lock. Other side. And then just switch it off. shirt's right on, and then what I do is just put a bit of tape on. Shove one on this side. And that is it. So that's the 4 arches on. Let's have a look at the other side. If you liked that video, follow us by liking the video, subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.